today we're checking out Bytesi, a crypto platform that's been getting mixed reviews online. Is it a legit way to earn or just another risky scam? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on personal opinion and public research. Always do your own due diligence before investing. Bytesi claims to be a crypto app where users can trade or invest to make profits. However, as of today, the official Bytesi website is actually for sale, which is already a major red flag. Reddit users are divided. Some say it's risky and advise only investing money you can afford to lose. Others report making some profit but with the warning that the app might shut down anytime. Then there are blunt opinions calling it a scam and urging people to avoid it altogether. This kind of mixed, shaky feedback and the fact that the website is offline suggests a high level of risk and possible unreliability. Given the website status and user warnings, Bytesi does not appear to be a safe or reliable crypto platform in 2025. If you're looking to invest in crypto, stick with well-known and regulated platforms. Have you tried Bytesi or know someone who has? Share your experience below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews you can trust.